Alright guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY, so I hope that you guys enjoy. Everything is very cheap or things that I had around the house, so I will go ahead and show you guys what I'm going to make. Okay, so the first things that you're going to need is any type of glass bottle. I got this one from Perrier's. I just took off the labels. Then you're going to need a hot glue gun. You will also need some twig or twine. I got this one from Walmart for $2. They also have it at the dollar store, and I just got some branches from outside my house. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to hot glue gun a little bit of dots on the bottom. And then after you do that, you're going to go ahead and put some twine around it. And you're going to go around and around in circles until the length that you want it to get there. So this is the length that I kept it. I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the excess and glue it down. I'm going to go ahead and do the top part of where the lid would be. So I'm going to go ahead and go around with it and put more twig and then cut the excess off and glue it down as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the 3 twigs, or depending on how big of the top you have, how many twigs you're going to put there, and just kind of like set it up inside the bottle. So this is what the finished product looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. If you did, make sure that you guys subscribe down below and like this video, and I will be showing you guys more little DIYs that I have. Have a good day and live life positive.